Welcome back to Shib, everyone. After issuing one final warning, Shib vanished. According to on-chain data reported by crypto analytics firm Safemoon, an unknown Ethereum address has transferred nearly 25 trillion Shiba Inu tokens worth over $250 million from top crypto exchange to a self-custody wallet. The Shib tokens were removed from an Ethereum address that other scans identified as belonging to the U.S. cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com and transferred to a new wallet. In this video, we will discuss how Shib left his last warning and vanished. Shib News Today. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to view our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Now let's start the video. The Daily Hodl reports that the transfer was completed in 6 separate transactions and that the whale has been quickly massing since March 1, possessing 992 ETH alongside its now 25 trillion SHIB. It is now the third largest Shiba Inu wallet globally and the largest wallet that hasn't been linked to an exchange thanks to the significant move to cold storage. According to data gathered by Whale Alert, the biggest transaction it ever registered was the transfer of 4.1 trillion SHIB tokens for about 45 million to an anonymous wallet. It's unclear if the transactions are being made by Crypto.com, which is transferring its SHIB to a new wallet, or if another whale is shifting its tokens in a 24-hour period starting on Monday and Tuesday. An astounding 453 million coins were burned by the dog-inspired token, an unparalleled 137% increase in the burn rate, according to the Shibu burn tracking site. Burning Shiba Inu tokens is the process of sending them to an address where there is no way to retrieve the private key, rendering them useless and taking them out of circulation forever. This is typically done to assist limit inflation and raise the value of the remaining tokens by lowering the overall amount of tokens. The quantity of Shiba Inu, the second largest coin in the world, that is currently in circulation burning tokens is a community-driven effort to raise the value of cryptocurrencies. It's also thought to be a nod to some Asian societies' custom of burning paper money as an offering to ancestors. Meanwhile, the Shib beta launch has the shibainu community buzzing with excitement. The Layer 2 protocol of the ecosystem constructed on top of Ethereum this week, the highly anticipated Shib, a Layer 2 protocol built on top of Ethereum, was released in beta, enabling beta testers to get a glimpse of the test network. According to the pseudonymous Shib developer Shosher Kusama, the Shiba community is growing as they continue to explore new growth avenues. It might stay that way for 2 or 4 months as the team concentrates on creating more efficient procedures and keeping an eye out for issues. The Shiba Inu community is now experiencing a renewed sense of excitement and interest as a result of these developments. The introduction of Shib and the most recent transfer of SHIB tokens demonstrate the community's ongoing interest in and increasing significance within the cryptocurrency space. It will be interesting to observe how these developments affect Shiba Inu's future and rate of adoption. 2 well-known ET investors amassed a hum 1,022B47M 313,000 SHIB worth 10,898,378 through 2 separate transactions in the last 24 hours, according to Whales Tats, a well-known blockchain data tracking platform. The first transaction was completed by Kate, the 232nd biggest e-whale, who added a great 899B999M734,985 SHIB worth 9,619,197 in a single transaction shortly after the $2.154th biggest e-whale, also known as Blue Whale 0073. Completed a transaction acquiring 122 Bill 47 578 218 SHIB worth 1,286 381. A significant price increase for SHIBs is anticipated given the current market conditions, which are short-term bullish with Bitcoin leading the altcoins. The significant whale accumulation follows Crypto.com's routine custom operation of transferring 24939B482M510233 SHIB worth $269 M595 185 to a new address to maintain the safety and security of exchange wallets. This major accumulation from whales comes after the market continues to be bullish. the necessity of Shiba according to Crypt Basic Inu is still growing since the release of the Sharian public beta, which has led to a notable rise in the burn rate. Amidst the continuing occurrences, the Shiba Inu community has jointly destroyed 2B72M114690 SHIB through 290 distinct trades in the last week alone. Lead developer of the Shiba Inu, Shoshir Kusama, recently alluded to a significant breakthrough while discussing a meeting between Ted Skilowitz, a futurist, and Marcy Gatto, a Shibu metaverse advisor, at the 2023 South by Southwest Festival held in Texas. Meanwhile, to counteract the growing backlash against the project, Kusama has classified all members of the community as part of the Shibu defense breed. Shim's indicators suggest that a rally may be imminent, as both its 30-day moving average and relative strength index are in depressed positions, likely as a result of a positive correction. For example, earlier in the month, its RSI fell as low as 30, indicating that the coin had been oversold, and with the indicator presently growing gradually toward 50, it might not take long for a recovery to start. Similarly, SHIB's 30-day has been declining for a few days, getting closer to an inevitable rebound rally. It is debatable whether or not it will rise significantly sooner rather than later because SHIB hasn't experienced the large gains made by BTC, ETH, and other major coins over the past week. There are a number of fundamental reasons to believe this, the most obvious being the beta launch of Shiba Inu's layer-to-network Sharam. It went live on March 11th, and the network's full public launch is probably coming up in the coming months. Once it's fully operational, Sharam will make it possible for users to use shibainu and the various apps of its EOS system for a lot less money, with transaction times speeding up and scaling up. As a result, it's anticipated that this will increase demand for shibainu products and services as well as increase adoption and usage of the ecosystem. Shib's beta launch was undoubtedly not without problems, as some onlookers claimed that it had stolen its chain ID from Rena, a future blockchain that is presently in the testnet stage. Developers of Sharam reacted to the accusations promptly. Kdia tweeted that they had picked chain IDs randomly for Sharam's beta network and that no duplication was intentional. Diera also explained that his team would be redeploying a new Sharam beta network with a different chain ID, helping to put to bed any suggestion that Layer 2's team is just copying other networks. Despite this rebuttal, SHIB's price hasn't recovered much from its slip following the emergence of the above accusations, and is still underperforming many other major tokens. Nonetheless, SHIB has moved up the rankings in terms of market cap this month, having moved from 15th earlier in March to 14th about a week ago. This highlights the steady growth it enjoys, which may continue once the metaverse has launched. While no specific launch date is penciled in for this shoe-themed virtual world, there is a general expectation that it could arrive before the end of the year. Its team has recently shared a few updates, including sharing early footage of one of the metaverse's distinct areas. According to developers Shib, the 10,595 purchasable lands in the metaverse will be unlocked gradually. Of these, 43 lands will be revealed during the launch phase, of which 124 will be made available for purchase. These lands will be divided into various districts with distinct graphical and flavor styles. Given the platform's approach, the metaverse positions itself as the entertainment and gaming industry's future combined. As the year goes on, it is reasonable to predict that Shib's price will rise significantly. Currently, it is only around 0.108, but it could easily return to 0.0015 and 0.002 in the coming months. In fact, many supporters are hoping for even greater gains, with some even aiming for $0 or higher. This is quite ambitious, but if all of the scheduled launches go as planned, there's little doubt that Shib will eventually see some enviable returns. That's it for now. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. To view our most recent content, please like and subscribe to the channel.